This video will enable you to learn the process of panel repair for deep scratches. Apply the degreaser with the help of sponge or clean smooth cloth to remove dirt and clean the surface. Cover up the adjacent panel with the masking material and tape to avoid damage during sanding operation. Use the pneumatic orbit sanding machine or sanding block with 80 to 120 grade of sanding paper to remove the paint from the scratch bearing surface. Ensure all the 3 layers of the paint are clearly visible in the patch after sanding. Use the body filler material recommended by the vehicle manufacturer and apply it on the patch. Apply the filler to cover up the bare metal and up to the base coat layer visible for the patch. Apply the dry guide coat. Use the sanding paper of 150 to 250 grade to remove the excessive filler from the surface. Continue till the guide coat color disappears. Use the guide coat again to check if there is any excessive filler material is left. Use the sanding paper of 300 to 400 grade to remove the excessive filler from the surface. Continue till the guide coat color disappears. Check the surface with hand for smoothness and matching with the surrounding surface. If it's found still uneven, repeat the guide coat application and sanding step. If the surface is found smooth and matching with the surrounding surface, apply the degreaser. The panel is ready for painting process.